Hey, I'm Jade Berg. I'm a Jayco ambassador, and this is the new Expanda that I want to take you through. Come have a look. This is my middle daughter, Billy.
I love the big space in the couch.
Sometimes putting her feet up on the couch, don't you, Bill? We love our double beds. We've got double beds at both ends of the van, and it just is so comfy. Both the girls sleep up here, and it's so roomy. My favourite spot, the kitchen, for all my cooking that I do, and I've got all the room behind me with my massive fridge. Husband, Wes.
Hey everybody, how are you? Like Jade said, we're Jayco ambassadors. This is our third Expanda we had. The 20 foot's amazing. There's so much room with the slide out kitchenette here for the table to sit down. And then through here we've got a double bunks here where my son Tally, who is 5, who sleeps up the top. Say hello, Tal. And then down the end, my daughter Miller, who's probably in the best seat in the house.
Hi, I love the ocean view.
We also love the shower and toilet here that we have. We actually put about 7 surfboards in the shower before when we go away, so it doubles up as storage. But beautiful ensuite, easy access for everyone. Obviously you can see there's heaps of room to walk around, and I think that's the best thing about the Expanda is that you've got so much storage, so much space for the kids. For a family of 5, it fits us perfectly, and we just can't go past the double beds. The double beds at each end is just super comfort, super luxe. It's honestly our favourite van out of the Jayco range.
We love our Jayco Expanda! Yeah!
And here they are. We're joined by Jade and Wes, which is wonderful. How are you guys?
We're really good, thank you.
We're in your very backyard, aren't we?
You are our favourite place, actually,
Yeah.
Talabudger Creek.
So tell me about this caravanning lifestyle of yours, this sort of vagabond life. It seems like the sort of thing that everybody wants to do, but no one has the time for. How do you create the space?
Yeah, absolutely. We love it. We bought our van 5 years ago now, and when Wes and I bought it, the first thing we said was we won't leave it in the driveway more than a month, and we actually stuck to that since we've had it. Since COVID held us back a little bit, but other than that, we have not left it in the driveway more than a month. We have our van packed at all times. We have van clothes, we call them, so they're always in there, and we just pick every time we can. Basically, we do long weekends and just get in it and go.
It's well pendant.
We try to pick where, you know, the weather's going to be fine, but I don't always have that luxury. But I think with people get misconceived that you have to do a loop around Australia or go away and spend extravagant amount of times away from work. But for us that both work full time and naturally with the kids in school, we just, like Jade said, we set a goal to once every month try to go to a new destination. We do fall back into the favourites. We have nice point breaks with waves, but we always try to explore somewhere brand new and go to a new national park and walk through these beautiful secluded areas. And our coastline's second to none throughout the world. It's just so pretty, and you need to go and explore it, and it's in our backyard, so you make the most of it.
Sure.
Seriously, once you get a van and you put your clothes in there, it is so easy. You just jump in and go. Each trip gets easier. Our first trip we ever did, Wes would have gone anywhere, but we came to Talabudger Creek, this exact van park, and we did like a dry run through before we ventured too far. But it's honestly so easy. We've taught the kids how to set up the van, so every time we go away, we involve them with us.
Well, there is 5 of you. You've got the 3 kids. There's plenty of room for you in the Jayco.
Oh, the Expanda is amazing. It's incredible. It's our 3rd Jayco now, Expanda. It's basically a memory maker, and the kids just get these experiences and moments, and they're just so special. The coolest thing about it is, one, they meet your friends, but it's the bonding with your family. You are together. There's nowhere to escape to another room with your tablet or to go off down to the pool by yourself and hang out. You're together, and you go out and do more and more things together and create these, like I said, amazing memories.